Hello, good morning, Sanjana Koteshwar Rao.
Good morning, Sridhar.
Very good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Who are not attended yesterday and today also, please share your mail IDs and phone numbers under chat box. Did you get yesterday's video, Koteshwar Rao?
Yeah. Got it. Yesterday's videos.
Thank you.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, today also, please share me your mail ID and phone number.
Sure.
Right. And before coming to this second demo, a few minutes, then I want to recap here the yesterday's session. So yesterday we are discussed about the significance of the data integration, and we are going to select here for to move the data or for data integration. Informatica Power Center it is. This one is this having more weight on the market or in organizations large scale of data where we are having huge volumes of data if you want to move the data from one place to other place with complete transformations, then we are going to choose here Power Center. Informatica Corporation is providing. The tool name is called as Power Center. Not only the Power Center to done these integrations outside, lot of ETL tools are available like Ab initio, SSIS, Data Stage, Pantaho, Talent, MaulSoft. Like this, for to done this data integration, and we have a lot of tools. So at the time of learning, and we can choose any tool here. All tools the functionality is the same, just like as our bikes. If I know the driving, then we can drive and I can drive any bike. The same way here also. Integration is a process and ETL is a process. To extract the data from homogeneous or heterogeneous sources means from same area or from different area, we can collect the data after that to transform according to our business logic or business requirement and load it into warehouse level in one central place if we are loading. So that is we call it as a warehouse it is. What is our job main here as a ETL developer? We had to prepare analytical data. We had to create data warehouse. Why we need to create a data warehouse? So from where we need to extract the data means exactly from the business is going on daily and they are keeping transactional information means daily what happening, what is going on. They are loading into their individual systems. See like this. In different areas, they are going to be keep the business, what is going on. And the business wanted to know, to understand what happened, then what they required is, and they required a data warehouse, they required faster, accurate, if they want to analyze the data for to take the decision makings in business level, to grow the business or to improve the business or to predict the business. So then what we require? We require, so past data we require. Exactly. What happened, I know, then I can analyze what needs to be happened. So we are collecting the data from, and we are extracting the data from source systems, and means that is called as a business system, transactional system it is. This one we call it as a transactional system. All daily transactions, whatever it is going on the business level, they are going to be keep here. They are going to be loaded here. That is, we are extracting. In a data preparation layer, as a ETL developer, we are going to apply this different kinds of techniques to cleanse the data or to transform, aggregate, or to load, or to validate either it is a right or wrong data is coming or not. Finally, after the transformation according to the business logic, then we are completely loading into data warehouse level. This data warehouse data, reporting people are going to be used to make the reports. As for the business analyst or a CEO, CIO, subject matter expert, stockholder, client, they are the higher officials to take the decision making in a business level. If they want to take the decision making, they require graphical presentation they want. Exactly. Yes, in a business from last 6 months onwards, so crores of records are happened, means crores of transactions are happened in my one business. If it happens like that, the complete data, if we are going to submit it to the business analyst or else a stockholder, so he never understand what is going on in the business level. Exactly. That is what. So what the reporting people are doing here is the report people are going to be convert this story that is been by the data story. whatever story they're asking, that story they are going to be converted into report format to understand the business easily, or within single glance they can understand by the graph. Instead of to submit crores and lakhs of records, if we are going to be submitted to the business analyst like this, easily they can understand where the down sale happened, where the high sale happened. Simple, within single glance they can understand. Then after, based on that, they can go for the decision makings in business level to grow or to improve or to predict or to analyze. That is what we are preparing the data warehouse here. Complete this data warehouse designed with complete analytical data. What type of data we are storing here is pure analytical data we are storing for analysis, for to analyze the business. So business run process is different and business analysis process is different. See the bank level, each and every year audit will happen in March and April, or April and May. So what is the mean of this audit means? Yes, they are going to be observe what happened last year, the complete year what happened. As for the estimation or as for the goal, we reach the business or not, or else what needs to be done, profits and loss. These are all they are going to be observed in the bank level, business level, that is mean by the audit. So the same way here also, what we are doing, complete, we are extracting the data from the source, from the business. Then after transform and load it into warehouse level. That is mean the part of data integration. Okay, fine. For to done this process, this is a process actually, it's not a technology. Data integration is a process to prepare a data warehouse. For to done this process, we have different tools, but what we are selected, Informatica Power Center we are selected. Why we are going to select this Informatica Power Center only? Why not SSIS, Ab initio, MuleSoft means? So it was the effective tool till in a market for to done the data movements effectively, securely, and faster. This server is very effective server to move the data from one place to other place with complete security and faster data movements, lakhs and lakhs of records. So, and also to learn, it's a very easy tool. Once if we learn ETL part in Informatica data integration, if we learn in Informatica Power Center, then we can work with data stage, SSIS, Ab initio, MuleSoft, Talent, Pentaho. These are all are a similar kind of process. But only the thing is, environment will be varied. So that 3-4 days, then we have to acquire that environment only. Same process as it is like as a driving. If I know the drive, or if I want to learn the driving, then first of all, I want to choose. So the comfortable bike to learn this driving, to handle. Once if I learn this driving, then I can drive any bike. So any bike, then I can drive it. The same process here also. Functionality for all these tools are the same. All tools are used for to move the data from or to integration only, data integration only. This was yesterday we are discussed, and today we'll see this Informatica tool, how it look like. And here we don't have any code behind. Simple tool to learn. It's a very easy graphical user interface only it is. Simple, we can move, or we need not to write any code like a Java, PHP, Django like this. So 10% only the code behind we are having here. The rest of all part 90% only the tool based. Only we have to remind the points. Only the options if we are going to be remind. That's enough to work here. But lot of options they are providing in a tool level. Those are all, we'll see how it look like the tool. Informatica Power Center is a tool. This Informatica Power Center tool, how it look like means it is a complete server and client technology. Informatica is pure. Informatica is a client and server technology. Must and should be required here, server be required, and client be required. Server and client technology. So server is common for Informatica server. This one is called as Informatica server. Server is providing all services. Server is a common machine. This server is providing all services to the clients. But here in Informatica level, different clients they are providing. See now, different tools. Not only the Power Center, big data, cloud service, data quality, IDQ, IDS. So MDM, master data management. For each and every process, we have a different tool. If we want to verify the quality of the data, then Informatica is providing IDQ. IDQ is a tool. So master data management, if you want to done, then Informatica is providing MDM, master data management it is. So integration, data integration, if you want, then we require a Power Center, PWC. Power Center it is. So cloud, if you want to work, then we require here IICS. IICS it is. Informatica integration cloud service it is. Cloud integrations. And this one is on-premises integrations. And this one is called as a cloud integrations. On-premises means our own dedicated missions. Cloud means somebody's area. For example, see, this is called as a cloud. And this one is on-premises. On-premises it is. So what is the difference between on-premises and cloud? On-premises, for example, take example, own house. It is on-premises. Everything, if we want to construct or if you want to double bedroom house it is, or triple bedroom house, land purchase, building construction, maintenance, everything we should control it. Cost effective, okay, and maintenance effective. Each and everything, then we have to watch ourselves. But premises is completely secured. No one will touch without my permission this house, right or wrong? But all people are not construct the on premises. So somebody wants to stay in Hyderabad 2-3 months. Then why they need to purchase own house? We don't require. If I want to stay in city 2-3 months, then why I need to purchase this complete house? We don't require it. Go for rental house. So many buildings are providing the rental spaces according to my requirement. Each and every month pay them, and then we can use the premises after our work completion. Then we can go and we can leave the space. That is mean by the cloud. So cloud is a platform, everything as a service. We need not to bother about a software, hardware, mission, everything as a service here. But here, everything is not a service. Everything we had to control. Software we had to purchase, hardware we had to be purchased, machine we had to be purchased. So nowadays, the cloud platforms in market, so many clouds are there, but familiar clouds are MS, Microsoft Cloud is called as Azure, and AWS. What is this? Amazon Web Service. So then after Salesforce. Salesforce is an organization. The Salesforce is providing for us the complete cloud platform. Do you know this Google Drive? If I want to maintain a Google Drive, so I don't require a mission. We don't want mission it is. Once the Gmail account is there, then 15 GB free space they are providing. But where it is loading, I don't know. I'm going to load this file. One file I want to keep in one area. So to recap, again and again, I want to see this one file. Or else I want to share to my friends. Some images are there. I want to share my friends. Then how we are sharing? Google Drive. So nowadays we know very well about that Google Drive. Once the Gmail account is there, they are providing, Google is providing the free space. If I want to maintain the space, we need not to purchase any hardware, software, mission, anything else. So who is providing that all features? Google itself, it is providing. Google Cloud, Google also having the cloud. Same way here also. Okay. So cloud is nothing but somebody's environment. We are using that. 15 GB free space they are providing. More if you want, then each and every month pay them 150 rupees for to purchase the 100 GB. They will provide 100 GB. But if it is a secured data, government data or military data, it is. Okay. Then if I'm entered or if I'm placing on this secured data in cloud, see here, then some sort of insecurity is there. Yes, this is not my environment. Somebody's environment it is. So I'm a purchase the server or a space from China. Indian government military data we are loading in China server. They told us, yes, it is a very secure, we will maintain, of course. So whenever if it is a Indian government military data, even though if they are providing the security for the space, automatically they will open and they will see this one. The possibility is there. Right or wrong? That is what. So all people are not going for the cloud areas. So yes, it's not there in my hand. It's there in somebody else's hand. If intentionally, if they want to done, they can do it. But so my data is not a secure. That's related to the shop. Even though if China is a hack this one, I don't problem. We don't have any problem. So then what I'm doing, I'm going to be maintain my data in cloud level. Why I need to bear this much of cost to manage the system, software, installation and all. So cloud platforms nowadays, they are providing Microsoft Azure, AWS, Salesforce, and Google. So many others are there. That is called as SSIS. Yeah, sorry. IICS. IICS means Informatica Integration Service on Cloud. Integration Service on Cloud level. Clear? So this is integration service on premises. Power Center is integration service on dedicated machines. If you done this integration, no one will touch this server without our permissions. And this one is cloud level we are doing. I can't bear such a kind of storages. Warehouse, if I want to purchase, it will cost so crores of rupees. Then why I need to invest the crores of rupees? Okay, so my business scale, it's not a such amount of scale it is. Then I'm going for the IICS. So in future market, we have for IICS also. So this is called as cloud integration. Finally, Informatica Corporation is providing different tools. For each and every tool, if you want to work, we required different clients we required. So what we required? Different clients we required. But server is the same, one server, different clients. That is what we are calling Informatica is a client server architectural technology. So client server technologies, it is Informatica is client server technology. Now here I want to work with PWC Power Center client it is. Then one more is there. So that is called as IICS client or else IDQ data quality. Informatica data quality tool. Two tools I want to use, but server is same server. We need not to configure multiple servers. One server enough for to work with multiple tools. Server is going to be provide all services. This one is going to be provide all services to the clients. So client, if you want to work here, if you want to work, mandatory we should connect this client to the server. So we'll see this client tool and server tool. It look like server look like how, client look like how, we'll see. Just it is for understanding only. In regular sessions, then we'll go and we'll talk in deep of each and every component. So I'm going to be start this server. Now this server is running in my machine. Then go and open here. Now already Informatica Power Center already installed in my machine. The once if it is installed, then we can see all these tools. What I am installed here, only Informatica Power Center I am installed. Means on-premises integration tool I am installed. This is a client. And this one is meant by the server. And don't ask me, so the server and then go and show me. And it's a logical component. I can't show you as like as a bike. So it is an algorithm it is. Okay. Then I can't show you as like as a tool, bike or car. So in system, it is a logical algorithm. Okay. Logical program it is. So we can feel as it is like as a server. And this is a client and server. Server and client both are installed in my machine. Okay. If you want to work with the client, this one, mandatory, we have to connect with this. All tools, the Power Center Designer, Power Center Repository Manager, Power Center Workflow Manager, Power Center Workflow Monitor. All if you want to work, client tools, then mandatory all tools should be connected to the server only. Why? Because server only provide the service. Server only provide the service to these clients. Then only then we can walk. If I purchase the bike without engine start, how can I walk? So how can I drive? We can't drive. The same process here also. Server to be started. Once the server is start, then all the server is going to intimate to the all components to get ready to work. So in my system already, server client already configured. And in regular session, then I will show you how to connect or how to install server and client. So installation, I will provide you the software and I will explain you the installation part or else I will give you the video, then you can follow. See now I am going to start the server here. Please guys, online guys, please provide me under chat box your mail ID and phone number. Today also. So yesterday already you are provided. Please provide me today also. Your mails along with phone numbers. Then only then you will get the video, this recorded session along with this fundamental documents. Now I am going to open the server. So it's opening. Now it will take some time to open. We'll see once if it is started. See here. Is it started or not? Server was started here. Server was started. If you want to enter into the server level, server means it's not a mission actually. We can't feel that like as a physical mission. Just it is a program. So, and see now. According to my system, password, username and password to enter into the server level, administrator, and administrator. Administrator is username. Password is also the administrator. Click on login. Once if we are logged on to the server, then we can feel. So it look like as application. It look like as application. See here now. So monitors. Yes, we can monitor this complete server. And then logs. Log information. See here, complete each and every entry, client level, then it is recorded in server level. Reports, security, and then after manage. So services and nodes means license information complete. This is a license information. Informatica server for one license, it is going to be provide one domain. These are all we'll see later. And under domain level, see this one, Informatica server is providing all these services to work with different clients. So to work with the power center or to work with the IDQ, to work with the MDM, to work with the big data tool. So different services it is providing. Server is providing different services. For each and every client, we require a specific service. We require a specific service here. Power center, if you want to work, These two services are mandatory. Integration service and repository service is mandatory. This is called as a server. Server look like this and client. Then go and open a client. See the client now. Informatica Power Center. We have here 4 tools. Informatica client tools, Power Center client tools are there. Power Center Repository Manager, Designer, Workflow Manager, and Workflow Monitor it is. Now I am going to connect with Power Center Designer. Click on this. Then go and see now. So without connected to the server, yes, this is a client. Without connected to the server, then we can't work in Power Center Designer level. Any tool or DWM. These are all our client tools to work the data integration. If you want to work with this, mandatory we required. What we required? Mandatory we required to connect each and every tool with the server only. Then we can work. Otherwise, we can't work. Double click on here and it is asking boss, what is your server credentials? So username and password, then go and click on connect here. The once if we are connected, then it is connected to the server. The server is going to be provide all previous records, all previous works. So where complete all previous works are preserved in server level. Once if we are connected to the server, server is providing for us all previous works it is providing. See now. Then go and open here, right click and open a one folder. See now, this is a mean by the data moment. This is we are calling as a load. See the sample mapping. Here we are calling as a mapping. Or one more mapping I want to be open. Lot of mappings already I did. Now I am going to be open a one mapping here. Simple mapping, then I am going to be open. See now. So what we are doing here and we are designed. This is mean mapping design it is. Mapping means from source to target. This is mean by the source and this is a target. So I am moving the data from source to target like this. So mapping is nothing but the data movement from source to target. What is mean by the source? Our actual data where we are collecting, that is mean by the source. And where we are loading, that is mean by this target. In the middle, we have different several transformations are there here. So these are all called as transformations. While movement to the target, while moving to the target data from this place to this place, slow down if we are moving. And what we are doing here is we are transforming logics we are applying. Transformation means logic it is. We are applying the logic, record by record it will take and it will sort out, filter, expression. Finally, the record is going to be loaded into this target level. This is meant by the data movement it is. two designs are there. This is one flow and this one is one flow it is. This is called as a design. This one we are saying is a design only. Yes. For example, if I want to construct the building, first what we'll do? We are going to the civil engineer to take the plan for the building, how it should be constructed. In a proper way, they are going to prepare a design. So according to the design, then we are going for the work to construct the building. Is it right or wrong? Same, this is called as a civil engineer blueprint. Just I am saying how I want to move the data from source to target. We are saying in a, so with this designer level, we are saying, yes, if you want to run this one, only this is a design. If I want to run this one, then what needs to be done here is we have to come down for workflow manager. Click on this. Yes. To manage the works, how it should be executed. How that design, which we are designed in designer level, how it should be executed. So that is we are going to prepare here. So this is called as workflow. Workflow, how the work needs to be flow, we are saying here. If you want to execute workflow manager for to execute this designs or data movements. If you want to execute it, right click, start workflow. What I'm saying is, yes, start the workflow. The workflow is saying, according to the design, the workflow is executing this. So immediately we are redirected to workflow monitor it is. This tool is called as workflow monitor to monitor the work, how it is executing, when it started, when it's completed. So how many tasks are completed under this execution, or else execution statistical information, complete statistical information from source, how many records are coming and how many records are loading to the target, then everything. So we can monitor the work, execution monitoring it is. All things then we can monitor here under monitor tool. That is what they are providing for us. Different tools. Designer to design the work. Manager level to manage this execution flow, how it should be executed, we are saying in manager level. Monitor level, then we are looking and we are going to watch this execution process, how it is executed, how many records are coming from the source, how many are loaded to the target. These are all we are going to be so verified in monitor level. Clear? So for all of you guys, so online guys. So this was the way then we are daily, then we are going to talk in subject level from end to end. Slow down. So I'm already shared you the content day wise what we are going to discuss here. So this one, this course will take again. I'm going to be explained. This course will take 35 hours to 40 hours daily, 1 hour session. So fixed time, morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. it is. So we'll get in this course all these materials, live video sessions, scenarios, and interview questions. I will help you complete in subject level interview queries and resume preparations. Then I will help you. Daily 1 hour session it is. Monday to Saturday. and fixed time 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. it is. And Saturdays, as for convenience, then we'll go for the extensions. So if you have any queries, guys, online guys, please raise your queries. Nayak, Sanjana, Madhuri, Kodeshwara.
Hi sir, this is Kodeshwara.
Yes, please.
2014 passed out Samedi.